The year is 1789, and you are the King of France. Your country is on the verge of financial collapse. The people are revolting in the streets. The Queen is hiding in a castle. And soon, you will be hiding in a castle yourself, desperately trying to escape the very people who made you king in the first place. Oh, and did I mention that your head is about to roll? Welcome to my channel. Today we are looking at the one and only King of France who lost his head, Louis XVI. King Louis XVI was just 19 years old when he ascended to the throne. He married the infamous Marie Antoinette at the age of 14. Together they ruled over France with an abundance of luxury and excess. The extravagant spending of the royal court, coupled with the fact that France was fighting a costly war in America, meant that the French economy was in sharp decline. The once proud and powerful nation was now on the brink of bankruptcy. While the royal family was living in luxury, the common people were living in squalor. They suffered through food shortages and skyrocketing prices, while the king and queen played dress-up and partied with their friends. The people began to get very angry and started to revolt in the streets. The king and queen were forced to flee to the safety of Versailles. There they hoped that the army would put down the rebellion and restore order to the kingdom. But the army was no help at all. In fact, many of the soldiers deserted and joined the rebels. Louis and Marie Antoinette knew that they had to escape while they still could. They planned to flee to Austria, where Marie Antoinette's family would hide them away in a castle. They managed to escape in disguise, but they were soon caught and brought back to Paris. The people were furious. They stormed the Tuileries Palace and murdered several members of the royal family. Louis XVI and his sons were taken to the Temple prison, while Marie Antoinette and her daughters were taken to the conciergerie. The king was charged with treason and conspiracy and was found guilty without a trial. He was sentenced to death by guillotine, and on January 21, 1793. At the age of 37, Louis XVI became the first French monarch to lose his head. His wife and children would follow him to the guillotine within a year. The monarchy was dead, and the French Republic was born. So what can we learn from this?